Look at this animation YouTube channel. Do you see video views? Now look at its monthly income. This channel earns more than $130,000 per month from making 2D animations, and it made only 200 animation videos and get more than 600 subscribers. There are some similar channel, and these are their income. In this video, I will help you make these animated videos with the help of AI.
C is cool, because it's for cat. Cats are furry and like to cuddle.
Or this.
D is for duck. Ducks can swim well and they quack.
Well, now, we have some parts to make these animations. Script, voiceover, background, animation character, slide design. Now first of all, let's prepare the script. For this I get help from ChatGPT. Write a text for children about learning alphabet with simple objects from A to Z. ChatGPT has a remarkable ability to create engaging and imaginative content for children, including stories, texts, poems, and even songs. Its creativity and versatility make it an excellent tool for crafting content that captures the attention and imagination of young readers and listeners. And this is my script. Here I have several sentences for each letter of the alphabet, and I can make a video for each letter. Creating different videos completely depends on your taste and creativity. Now, in the next step, I have to look for a voice for these sentences. You can use this AI for voiceover on your videos. I put the link in the description for you. Regarding the use of this AI voice, I have already explained in other videos of my channel. This artificial intelligence has a unique quality in generate different voices, and you can use it in different niches. To use this, you have to sign up first. Here you can create your account through your Google account or by filling out the form and clicking on this button. This is the first page you see after logging in. Click on the Create Project option. Now click on the Start Blank option here. Then click on Create Project option. This is the main page you need. Now you have to paste the text you generated with ChatGPT. I want to make an animation slide for each letter, so I generate voice for each letter separately. Now click on this avatar to find your voice character. You have too many character voices. Here you have different filters. You can use this AI voice generator to produce videos in different languages. If you need a male or female character, you can filter it to find it easier. It also has a filter for age group, and finally, it has a filter for different topics and different types of voices. You can listen to all of these voices after you log in. Now I show you some of them and choose one of them.
Do you want to be fit? Let's go. Get ready to sweat, groove.
Great. Listen to this one.
Promotional ads are everywhere. While watching a video, streaming music.
You can use any of these voices that you like. I want to use this voice for the first slide of the video. As you can see, this character is selected here. Now you have many possibilities to change the sound. You can adjust its pitch level. You can also increase or decrease its speed. I lowered the voice speed a bit here. Now click on this option to generate the sentence.
Letter A is for apple. Look at the juicy apple hanging from a tree. Letter A is for apple. So shiny and sweet. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
This is great. Now you may want to add other sentences to this. For this, just copy your sentence and then paste here easily. When the sentence is entered in the same block, it is read by the same character. And you can generate it whenever you want by clicking on the play button. Now you may want to use another character for your next sentence. You should add a new block for this. And paste your sentence here. Now you can change your voice character easily. This is for when you want to make a conversation video between several people. After you have pasted all your sentences and applied the desired settings, if you click on this big play button, your entire script will be generated. If it turns to black, you can listen it, and then it's time to download it. But now I want to make slides one by one, so I need just one of these. Now it's time to create our own animation. Go to this site, click on this option. The link is in the description. Here first choose a character. I choose this. In the next section, choose the background you want. You can use these backgrounds. By clicking on each of them, they will be applied. If you want a simple animation, you can only choose the character and background and upload the voice and download your animation. But in this video, I want to tell you more that how you can use all the power that AI tools have. I want to design a background by myself. I use Canva. Link is in the description. Here you can see that we have many elements to make animation and we can use them. I search for a simple sky, and I think this is so good. As you can see here, you have too many options to choose. You can also make your own favorite background with different elements. Download it and upload it here. After uploading the background and choosing the position of the character, upload your voice. After a few seconds, your animated video will be ready. Now it's time to re-upload the video to Canva. As I said before, you can use this animation video now, but I want to add different designs to it. So I do it. This slide is about the letter A and apples, so I'll add an apple tree here. After that I add some different apples. Because the text says about apples being shiny, I add a little shine to the apples. With so many elements in this artificial intelligence, you can have a great design. And you don't need to install any software on your computer. And you don't even need to have special knowledge in the field of editing and making animation. As you can see, you can group some elements together. I do this to create a shiny apple. With artificial intelligence in various fields, today's businesses have become much easier than before. And I want to make the sky a bit more beautiful by adding some clouds and a small moving sun. I want to animate some of these elements at the end of adding them. You can get help from image generators for this. For example, for the background design or the general space you want to create. All this is completely related to your taste, and if you wish, you can take help from different photos on Google to implement better ideas. Now it's time to animate elements. For example, I choose this cloud. Click on Animate button on the menu. Here we have the option to animate manually. This means we can move the desired element in the image in any way we want. After click on this, you have just paint the way you want, as I do here. It shows you the pattern. If it was okay, click on Done. So easily. I do the same for both clouds. This gives a more beautiful effect to our animation. I also create a pattern for one of the apples that is falling from the tree. All these together can make an animation beautiful. Of course, I do these things without thinking. You can spend some time and think about the slide you are creating. Now I need a board on which the letter A is displayed. I also added the letter A to the slide. And I changed its color to apple color. Now I want to use two different animation for the board. These two moves have different uses. The first one is for enter this item to the page, and I choose this. You can adjust the speed of each of them. And now the second thing I add is this motion effect. It will move your elements throughout the duration of the video. I am adding these for these elements so that you can see that you can easily add any movement to different elements. Otherwise, there is no need to consider all the moves for an element. And finally, I added some leaves and bushes to make the background more beautiful. All of these little things can help make your video more interesting, and Canva has a huge variety of elements in every field that you can use. And finally, I was able to make this video easily.
Letter A is for apple. Look at the juicy apple hanging from a tree. Letter A is for apple, so shiny and sweet. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
B is for boat. Boats float on water and can take us on exciting adventures. Pretend to steer a boat with an imaginary wheel. S is for snow. Snow falls from the sky in winter. Imagine catching snowflakes on your tongue.
With a little creativity, you can create the best works and make money. There are many tutorials on the channel. Please like and subscribe.